Shed update. As you can see, it's painted. My color is a shaggy dog blue, I do believe, and the trim color is Rockweed. I do have stain down here at the end of my finger. I gotta stain the rest of this ramp, so I have to clean it, and then I'll stain it. And down here on the side, the 4x4 treated timber is also stained on the ends, as is the board at the end of my finger. Here I have my external disconnect of power going to the shed. Now I've seen online people use a GFCI outlet, and I didn't like that. So I went a full panel with a disconnect. I have a breaker in here. Because I'm looking at this as a sub panel, when wiring this, I did not put my ground and my neutral on the same bus bar, and I did not bond the bus bar to the back of the panel. So my ground is going to be separate. This is a 20 amp breaker on 12-2 wiring coming from my main panel in the house, which is also going to be a 20 amp breaker. And I have my hole going to the back. There is duct compound, that's electrical sealant compound in the shape of a U right here. I let the bottom portion open so that if water does get in there, it drains out. As for to the house, I've got it in conduit, secured to the building, and it is underground per se, more like it's underneath this 4x4 timber that I have right here. Actually, I think it's a 4x6 timber. Anyway, it's underneath this timber that's right here, so I don't expect to be ever digging right here. And where it's going, where I'm standing, is going to be my shed. That 7x7 shed where the pool is for Cosmo is gonna come and sit right here. So all of this will be blocked in. Going to the house, you can see where it comes out right here. This is kind of tricky, and I wasn't sure how I wanted to attempt this, because I thought I was going to use one of these to go from the house to outside, but this isn't quite long enough. So this hole that's in here is like 1.5 inches or so. So I had to drill and put a screw in to mount this box to the house, and I used that same duct compound around it, give me a seal. I also understand that coming from the panel to the shed should be one wire, but I'd have to pull this wiring through this conduit, which is like 15 feet, and that was pretty damn tiring. So this is gonna be a connection point right here. I'm gonna cut this, and then I'm gonna feed from here to the wire, to the panel, all one wire.